All right, so without further ado, ugh, you gotta do the slam. You gotta take it. You gotta, let the box know you mean business. So slam it on the bed. So okay, wireless combo. Y'all see that? And the color of this is supposed to be rose. I ain't gonna say rose gold, but it's supposed to be like a pinkish rose color. And like I said, it's supposed to match the aesthetics of the bedroom here. As you can see, everything is like pink and white and gray. And of course I got my desk right there. I need a bigger desk, but that's like a minimalist setup. Everything's black. The desk is small, personal. When you sit right there, you're personal. You're getting personal with your content, with your video creation, with your gaming. Everything's personal. The only thing missing on that desk is this right here, this mouse and keyboard. So we're gonna take a look at this. We're gonna get it unboxed and let's see what happens. So let's see here. How am I gonna open this? Let's see here. There's some tape. Yes, there's some tape right there. So let me get my Jason Voorhees knife out. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Nice and shiny. Okay, so let's get this tape cut open real quick. Make sure I don't end up in the hospital. We don't want those problems, right? Trying to do an unboxing, end up at Lebanon Medical Center, all because I was trying to do an unboxing. But yeah, okay. All right, so that should be about it. There we go. Get that open. Open that flap. Open that flap. All right. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Let's open it up. Ooh-wee. What else is in the box? Is that it? Okay. Yeah, that's it. So we'll leave the box here for decoration purposes. But yes. Okay. So this is the keyboard. Still in plastic. Everything's like white and pink. Let me get a little closer for you guys. Let me get a little closer. Look at that. Okay. Let's see, you get an on and off switch. You get your Logitech branding right there. Get your F keys up here. It's like you got a PC on and off switch right there. Calculator, home key, volume up and down, mute, play, pause. Okay, Logitech. Okay, came correct. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Let's go. Okay, that's the little sleeve right there. That's where the battery department is at. And this right here is making sure the battery stay charged, because if you pull this out, it's gonna start running current through the keyboard and it could drain the battery while it was in shipping and things of that nature. So let's get it open. Take out the sleeve right here. Slide that off. All right. Put that in the trash. Ugh. All right. So what we got here? We got a little pamphlet. From Logitech, little of this, little of that. We ain't gonna be needing that. Put that in the trash. Fail. Anyways. Okay, so let's take a look at here. Oh yeah, again, this is where it was protecting the battery current so the battery don't drain. So of course we're gonna go ahead and pull this out right now. All right, slap this back. Put this back on. Okay, look at this, look at that. Got your little stand right here, just in case you want to mount the keyboard, have it mounted a little higher when it's on the desk instead of being laying completely flat. Nice and clicky. Let's see here. All right, like I said, you got your on and off switch. Right now it's on. Let's turn this off until I get into the computer. So. All right, so also in the box, hold up. It's supposed to be a mouse? Where's my mouse at? Oh, the mouse is probably like buried all the way in there. I do feel like there's some weight to it. Hold up, let's get that. You gotta get that mouse out. Fail. Hold up, y'all. Let me get this box open some more. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so after cutting some more tape, the tape on the opposite end of the box, you have here, you have your USB connection. You have to plug that to your computer to get the wireless 2.4 gigahertz connection to the mouse and keyboard. So we're going to take that out. I'm trying to do all this with one hand, y'all. Bear with me, bear with me. All right, got that out. So of course this is going to plug into your USB port on your computer. Typical USB connection. Plug that up to your computer. I'm going to put that to the side. Also right here is the mouse. So we're reaching here. Oh, can you hold the box? Reach down in here. Oh, mouse is right there. Fail. All right, so let's take a look at the mouse. You know, little this, little that. Still wrapped in plastic. Let's take this out the sleeve real quick. Out the plastic. Throw that away. All right. And of course, yes, the mouse takes batteries as well because it's wireless, but you know, little simple mouse. Little this, little that. You know, still got the plastic on it. I'm gonna peel all that off in a second. You got your ball wheel in the middle here. Got your left and right click buttons. Oh, my hands are so dry. I need some lotion. But anyways, right here is where the batteries go. And of course, when you pick this up from the store, yes, as you can see, it comes with batteries. Of course, they're not Duracell. It's not Energizer. It's not, you know, those expensive batteries that you see everywhere. So, you know, so let's pull this out so the mouse can begin getting electric current. Plug that back in. And you can see it's on the on position. There's an on and off switch. Off. And then on and off switch. But yeah, I'm gonna turn all this off until I get it hooked up to the computer, which is right over there, that I just built like literally like 10 minutes ago. But yeah, okay, little this, little that. Let's put the back cover back on. I need to buy a mouse pad next, because that desk gets kind of rough. Plug that back in. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This is the rose color mouse and keyboard by Logitech. Look at that, look at that. Pink, rose, perfect Valentine gift. If you got that, you know, that female tech lover in your life. She loves technology, she loves gaming, she loves all that kind of stuff. It's Valentine's Day. This is like the little, you know, little something, little this, little that. And of course, like I said, I just got this keyboard because it matched the decor of our bedroom, and this is my girl's room. So, you know, I'm trying to keep everything matching, trying to keep the colors matching. Of course, we got the lights on the ceiling. I can set those to pink and things like that when the time comes. But right now, I got like a little rainbow effect going on. But you know, so while I'm at it, let's go place this on the desk. Let's go see how this looks on the desk next to all the other electronics. Running out of space out here. I'll probably have to move that Xbox somewhere else. I'll probably put it over here on this dresser or this table, whatever you want to call it. I'll probably move that Xbox right there, so I have some mouse room space. This is the USB dongle, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug that to the front of the computer right here. I'm gonna plug that right here in the front. I could plug it in the back, but for frequency reasons and for the best frequency, I'm gonna plug it right there in the front, just in case if I happen to take the keyboard and mouse to the bed, it had the best signal in range, because this is pointing like right in that direction. So, but yeah, that's it, you guys. It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD. Just a little quick unboxing and quick little overview of the Logitech Rose wireless combo mouse and keyboard. You can pick this up from Walmart, just $20. $20. Get you a pink wireless mouse and keyboard, $20. Alright y'all, it's your boy TechGeek ROD. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the follow button, hit all the buttons. You know what time it is. Alright y'all, they gonna learn today. Alright.